Last day. It was a good vacation. My grand had fun.
I sure did.
India being a weirdo.
That's what I'm saying?
And then my beautiful mother acting like she knows what she's doing.
What? Don't feel me. I'm too beautiful to be on camera. Hold up.
Yeah.
Why are you taking videos of the room?
That's not sure everybody likes.
Here we are. I'm what?
Mom, what's up the toast?
It's cooking, boy.
See how rude she is to me. She's like I don't slap her. One time.
I don't want to leave.
India, give me, what did Penguin do?
He was like this, he was like this, was like this.
What did Bart do? Remember what Bart did?
Huh?
Remember what Bart did?
Who's Bart?
Remember Bart was like this?
He was rocking now. I like the penguins.
So did I.
They were funny.
Your mother's funny.
What?
So how was your vacation, Graham?
My vacation was great, Ray. I loved it. I enjoyed myself.
What was the best part?
Being with my family.
Aw, please, she loves
The
us.
Spider-Man ride was second. I just wish I would have got a picture of Spider-Man.
For little son.
Spider-Man for son. Because he goes Spider-Man.
Yo, Mom, the toast is done.
You tell me for.
Go cook.